I figure the original source of this will somebody spotted this, uploaded it to their Facebook, and everybody's going crazy. Channels are already uploading this, and obviously, I'm gonna get in on this cause this is pure gold. This photo was originally shot on SAW 1940 on the 20th of January 2018. And the first I thought this was just something on the lens, but that's been debunked. The image with the UFO in is on the front, hasn't cam left B, and the time this was taken was 2:57 p.m. and then the next image taken on the front hasn't come left B was at 3:15 p.m. and as you can see in this image the UFO is nowhere to be seen. I just see you men on this and play about with it and see what you can make out of it. I'm seeing a bird. I don't know what you're seeing, and I know some people are gonna say it's a bird.